Mary Ryan with the New York 529 Direct Plan, and we're here celebrating 529 College Savings Day by answering your most commonly asked questions. Many of you will have questions about the tax benefits of a New York 529 plan. And one of the real benefits of that plan, of course, is when the money's in there, it's growing tax deferred. So you're not paying federal or state taxes when that money's growing. One of the other benefits, if you are a New York State taxpayer and the owner of a 529 account, you get to deduct $5,000 or $10,000, married filing jointly, of the monies that you have contributed on your state taxes. And then another really great benefit is while that money's growing in there and you take it out for higher education expenses, it comes out tax-free. So now that you know that this money can come out tax-free, what does that really mean? You can use that money for accredited 2- and 4-year colleges. You can use it for trade schools or vocational schools. You can even use it for graduate school. The beneficiary doesn't even have to go to school in the state of New York. They can perhaps even study abroad. Qualified expenses include books, computers, related equipment, and it may even pay for some room and board. So now that you've heard all these wonderful things about the New York 529 plan, it's time to open an account. Go to newyorksaves.org and follow the directions on how to open an account. You'll have a lot of benefits in doing so. For example, you'll be able to print forms. You'll be able to track history. You'll be able to make transactions. You'll even be able to set up an account that will allow you to get automatic deductions from your bank account to go right into that 529 plan. One of the things I would recommend when you're there and opening your account is to open up a U-Gift. That's the ability to get a code that you can share with family and friends so that they can give gifts to the 529 account for that beneficiary. It's a really great idea for birthdays and holidays. Make sure you visit us on Facebook and Twitter. And our website, of course, is nysaves.org. Thank you very much for watching.
Investment returns are not guaranteed, and you could lose money by investing in the plan. Before you invest, consider whether your or the designated beneficiary's home state offers any state tax or other benefits that are only available for investments in such state's qualified tuition program. For more information about New York's 529 College Savings Program Direct Plan, obtain a program brochure and tuition savings agreement at www.nysaves.org or by calling 1-877-NY-SAVES. This includes investment objectives, risks, charges, expenses, and other information. You should read and consider them carefully before investing.